India's air power is on the verge of a massive transformation. With plans to acquire over 114 Rafale jets under the MRFA program and 31 additional Rafale M variants, India is set to become the largest operator of these state-of-the-art fighters by 2040. India already operates 36 Rafale jets, all inducted as part of the deal signed in 2016 with France's Dassault Aviation. These jets have significantly enhanced India's aerial capabilities, especially with their role during the 2020 Ladakh standoff. Equipped with cutting-edge avionics, the Meteor and Scalp missiles, India's Rafales have been crucial in maintaining air superiority over rival forces. But India's ambitions go further. The upcoming multi-role fighter aircraft, MRFA, tender could add 114 more Rafales to the Indian Air Force. This deal would replace aging fleets like the MiG-21s and prepare the country for future challenges. Competing with other contenders like F-21 and Eurofighter Typhoon, Dassault's Rafale stands a strong chance due to its proven reliability, interoperability with existing systems, and local manufacturing through partnerships. India's Navy isn't being left behind. The Rafale M variant, designed for aircraft carriers, might soon dominate the decks of INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya. With 31 new Rafale M jets on the horizon, India's naval capabilities will soar, ensuring dominance in the Indian Ocean region. So, what makes the Rafale so attractive? Its versatility, capable of air superiority, deep strikes, reconnaissance, and even nuclear deterrence missions, is unparalleled. Its active electronically scanned array, ESA, radar, Spectra electronic warfare suite, and high survivability against sophisticated air defense systems give India a strategic edge. By 2040, India could have the largest Rafale fleet in the world, with over 181 jets. This would not only make India the largest Rafale operator but also position the country as a leader in aerial and naval combat, ensuring security against rising threats in the region. With China's growing military presence and Pakistan's ever-evolving arsenal, India's Rafale expansion would significantly tilt the balance in its favor. As we look forward, the combination of these air and naval expansions could change the game for India, ensuring its place as a major military force by 2040. The question remains, how will India leverage its future fleet? Will these strategic moves guarantee the nation's security for decades to come? Only time will tell. Stay tuned for more updates on India's evolving air and naval power. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed on all defense and geopolitical developments. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.